Welcome ladies and gentlemen to the presentation of the new Primus Persua, a compact with premium air from the year 2000. The Persua combines quality with the practicality and efficiency that is sought in a compact car. From the brand, they tell us that the Persua comes with 4 different versions. Trim levels are Comfort, Plus, Spirit and Exclusive. The presentation model is the highest range and has a V6 engine. The previous generation, introduced in 1994, enjoyed good sales. It just wasn't premium in any way. The brand wants to change the image and therefore launch a more premium model. But they have not only focused on aesthetics and comfort, they have also taken care of the performance and efficiency of new engines. The Persua is available in a variety of engines to suit different power needs and provide good performance. The exclusive model is a refined finish and combines luxury and comfort well. Alloy wheels, chrome accents and a light leather interior. The best of this model is a 2.3-volt 6 engine with 156 horsepower connected with an automatic gearbox. In summary, the Persua is a compact with premium touches, and this V6 model represents a unique option in the market, standing out for its elegant design and cutting-edge equipment. It will captivate all lovers of premium cars and will become the perfect companion for both the city and long journeys. This V6 model ensures that its price will be between 17,000 and 19,000 euros in Europe. A price below an Audi A38L 1.6 attraction and more expensive than a Volkswagen Golf 5P concept line 1.4. Of course, this is high-end and with a V6 engine. The interior is light-toned leather and combines with black plastic. In the center, a console with detailed information and a multi-radio steering wheel. Thank you for joining us in this presentation. Will the Primus Persua have what it takes to make the European public fall in love? Undoubtedly a car to take into account and a tough competitor for other car companies.